The only problem I have with using rosemary on my hair is that it stains.
Hey, it's me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sue here. In today's video I'll be trying out rosemary hairspray on my natural hair for 3 weeks. First off, let's make the hairspray. Now I'm adding mint to my own hairspray, and I'll just add hot water to infuse the nutrients of the rosemary and mint into the water. Now, rosemary has great benefits for your hair. It has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. It decreases shedding, it soothes the scalp, it improves blood circulation, which in turn help with your hair growth. It prevents dandruff and it stops premature graying of your hair. So I'm trying out this challenge with my sister, but unfortunately I could not get her end result. So this is us at the beginning stage. We got new twists. I'm actually influencing my sister so that she can get twists to make her hair grow well. So we got new twist and we decided to spray the rosemary and mint leaf spray on our hair, our scalp and our edges. Then give it a good massage, and I went ahead to use my Ayurvedic hair oil on her scalp. She did the same thing for me too. I have a detailed tutorial on my channel of how I make my Ayurvedic hair growth oil, so if you're interested, it's going to be linked in the description box. Please check it out. Also, for those who be interested in getting the Ayurvedic hair growth oil, I make mine and sell. So if you're interested, you can send me a DM on Instagram and you can get one for yourself. But the link to how I made this is going to be in the description box, so check it out. This is what my hair looks like 2 weeks after. My edges have grown a bit, my mini twist too have grown a bit, and I couldn't show the process of me applying it, but you can see that I'm almost out. I was using this every day for 2 weeks. I got a scalp massager, so after applying it, I just use it to massage my scalp. This will help with blood circulation, which will help with hair growth. Massage it properly and I put it back in a bun. This is the 3rd week of me using the rosemary water, and I just got a new twist because I had a work event and I didn't want to go with old twist. And you can see my edges is much fuller than it was the last time. My hairline is coming together nicely, so this is good, very good. I ran out of the old one and I decided to make a new batch, and in this new batch instead of using mint leaves, I added cloves. So we all know what cloves can do to your hair, so why don't I mix these two and get maximum results? So this is the 4th week after using rosemary, mint leaf and clove on my hair. Look at my edges. Just look at my edges. You can see this one is proof that this stuff works. My edges are more fuller than it was the last week and the week before. So today we are going to check the length that we've gotten over time, and I'll be taking down my mini twist. Now look at that. My reaction can already tell you that I'm impressed. I really liked this hairspray. It really did a good job. Look at my hair. Look at the beauty of my hair. You know that I had lots of growth just in 2 weeks. Mind you, I made new twists in between these 4 weeks. So today I am going to be taking down this twist, and I'll be using the same rosemary and clove water to take down my mini twist. At the beginning of this challenge, my front hair was just by the side of my lips, and this one has gotten past my chin, which is very good, I must say. So I think my hair grew an inch or an inch and a half in the space of 4 weeks. Now this is another proof that I have been using this thing judiciously. I'm using it to take down my twist today. If you don't know, it is so bad of you to take down your twist or your braids or your protective style when it's dry. You are just going to cause lots of breakage, and the length that you retain, you are going to lose it. So in order to retain length, you have to make sure that your hair is moisturized to an extent so that it can loosen any curls and tangles that you have. I have a detailed protective style takedown video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box. It is very detailed. Please do well to check it out. Just look at that length, guys. Look at that length, and my hair felt so soft. This is the hair that came off after takedown, and this is the hair that came off after washing. It definitely reduces shedding.
So guys, I intentionally wore my hair like this so you can see what my hairline looks like. Guys, it works. It really works. The only problem I have with using rosemary on my hair is that it stains. Like, it stained my t-shirt, and that t-shirt is condemned. Luckily for me, I only wear that t-shirt at home. I don't wear it out. So I advise that if you're using rosemary, be cautious of it because it's going to stain your shirt and it will be hard or difficult to come off. But aside that, it has an amazing smell. It does not smell awful, and it really helped my hair. I used it for 3 weeks straight. That's more than 14 days, and the result was amazing. No itchy scalp, no awful smell, and it smells nice, and my hair grew very well. Healthy, thick, and it was growing. So will I be trying it? Yes, I have proof. I went ahead to mix it with clove water just like I shared in this video, and this is what I'm going to be sticking with. I'll be doing this consistently. Now I use this 3 to 4 times a week on my hair, or 2 to 3 times a week on my hair, most especially my edges and my scalp. And I just spray a few on my hair strands, and it does an amazing job. No smell, nothing like that. It actually smells very nice. It smells like a very sweet herb or spice or tea. I recommend using rosemary and clove water. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Will you be trying rosemary too? Have you tried rosemary? What's your experience with it? Did it work for you? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.